Oh, Kevin, sir,
Yes, sir.
you may please start the session, sir.
Okay, sir. Good morning, students. We will continue the class. The next question is the equation of a line. There is one equation of a line. It is passing to the point 1, comma 2. There is the equation of a line which is passing through the point 1, comma 2 such that there is another point P. Okay. This is okay, same point such that this point P bisects the line which is parting the intercepts between the axes. This there is a line passing to the point P 1, comma 2 such that this point P bisects the line and making the partition between the intercepts of the axis. Now you have to find the equation of that line. That means what they're telling is there is a line which is making intercepts with the coordinate axis, and there is one point P which is bisecting this line. First of all, this is intercept form. For the equation is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. And you know that this point P is bisecting this line, means it is dividing the line in the ratio 1:2. So take this as A and this as B. Therefore, x-intercept I can take x-intercept as something of into 2, that is 1 into 2, that will become 2. Y-intercept as I can take it as 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Something. Generally, I'm taking it as 1 unit. The equation will become what x-intercept is equal to nothing but A. Y-intercept is equal to B. Therefore, x by 2 plus y is equal to 1. That is equal to x plus 2y is equal to 2. Is it clear, dear students? Is it clear?
No, sir.
So what they're telling is there is a line passing to the point P1, comma 2, and this line is cutting the coordinate axis at A and B. With this given thing, we have to find the what is this called as uh, we have to find what is this called as the equation of the line. So it is in the intercept format, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Since this point is dividing the line, so I take this as 1:2 ratio. Yes, this point is dividing the line in the ratio 1:2 ratio. That means what is happening is I have to find x-intercept and y-intercept. So this division of ratio, I'm taking with some particular unit. Okay, I'm taking as 1 unit. You can take it as 2 unit, 3 unit, anything. If you take it as 2 unit, also at the end, when you take common, you'll get it to like this only. For example, if I take 2 units, means this will become 4 and this will become 2. It means 2x plus 4y is equal to 8. Then if you take common everything, it will be x plus 2y. Okay, this will be 4. No? LCM is 4 equal to 2. So then you take this 1 as 1 or 2 or 3. At the end, when you take common, you will get into a same equation. So only instead of taking 2, 3, 4, and so on, I take generally as 1 unit. I don't know what is that 1 unit. Since it is dividing the line in the ratio 2:1, this part division is coming towards my x-intercept. So my division I'm taking 1 into 2. So I'm getting x-intercept as 2 units. So you're taken as some 1 unit. From this 1 unit, my line of this one is dividing the partition in the 2:1 ratio. So I'm multiplying that 1 with 1. I'm getting a 1 unit here. So it becomes 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, my x-intercept A is equal to 2, y-intercept B is equal to 1. I'm putting this value in the equation. Shall I go to the next question? Hello.
Yes,
Dinesh?
sir. Yes, sir.
So we can take it as homework. Same question what we discussed now. A line is passing through the point A 3, 4 such that its intercept between the axes is bisected by A. That means same thing. There is a intercepts and A is bisecting the line with intercepts. Find the line equation. Find the line equations. This question was asked in AI 2004. Next question. This is also same type question asked in a recent JEE mains. A straight line is passing through the point P minus 3, 4. a straight line is passing through the point P minus 3, 4 such that the intercepted portion is the coordinate axis is bisected by P. Same thing that twisted the question, that's all. The intercepted portion, this is the intercepted portion. The intercepted portion is bisected between the coordinate axis by P. Means this becomes P minus 3, 4. Find the equation of the line. This was asked in the recent JEE mains 2019 in the month of July. So not July, June. A straight line is passing to the point minus 3, 4 and the intercepted portion is bisected by a point P. Yes, this is the intersected portion bisected at the coordinate axis. This is the coordinate axis at point P. Same question, see how they are twisted and asked 3 different ways. Now the method is same, what we did earlier. Okay, if you want to take, you can take 2. If you want to take, you can take 3 into something. But why I'm asking for taking as 1 means simplification easy. Because if you take 2 also, you have to, at the end you have to take common, I have to divide. So you can ask, why sir you have to take only 1? Why can't we take any other number? You take any other number, but take the number as same for both. 3 units or 5 units, something. At the end, what we are doing, we are again taking that 5 units as common and we are dividing, and our equation will bring back to the same equation. Shall we go for the next question?
Yes, sir.
So, next question, this is was asked in JEE means 15. Let L be the line passing to the point P1, 2. Means there is one line passing through the point 1, 2. This is line L. Such that its intercepted segment between the coordinate axis is bisected at P. Same concept. Its intercepted portion or segment is bisected by a point at point P. If L1 is a line perpendicular to L, there is one more line L1 is perpendicular to line L and passing to the point minus 2, 1. That line is passing to the point minus 2, 1. Then point of intersection of L and L1 is dash. So, first of all, we'll draw the equation and we'll see what they're telling. That means this is my line L, which is making a, this what is called as, excuse me, this is making a coordinate axis and somewhere at point P it is dividing 1, 2. And there's one more line perpendicular to this line, that is this, let us say this is L1. You have to find this line's equation. So I'll take this as a 0, 0, B. Therefore, my midpoint theorem, this becomes A by 2 plus B by 2. Correct, no? And they're telling Point 1 is bisecting. That is a midpoint they are telling. Therefore, that is a midpoint means A will become how much? A will become
Two.
A by 2 is equal to 1, B by 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, A is equal to 2, B is equal to 4. Same thing if you do also. So now we got A and B, therefore equation will become x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. This implies x by 2 plus y by 4 is equal to 1. That is equal to that is equal to 4x 4x plus y is equal to 4. No, just sorry, not 4x plus y. 2x plus y is equal to 4. This is the equation of L. So now given that L1 is perpendicular to L, that means my equation will become what is called as my equation will become x minus 2y is equal to some k. Correct now? You remember why it is x minus 2y is equal to k?
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes.
ax plus by is equal to c means perpendicular will be bx minus ay is equal to some constant k. So I have to find the value of k. I have to find the value of k. So for that, finding the value of k, find the point of intersection. So you have got one equation here, you have got one equation here. Find the point of intersection. How to find the point of intersection? X by, first of all, write the values. A1, 2, A2, 1. B1, 1, B2, minus 2. C1, minus 4, C2, minus k. So that will be equal to minus k. Correct now. Before that, we have to B1 minus 1 into minus k is minus k. 2 to the 4, 4 plus 8, 8 is minus 8. That is equal to this is equal to, I'll write this same thing here. X is equal to minus k minus 8. That is equal to y is equal to how much? Minus 4 minus 1. Then 1 is equal to 1 is equal to sorry. Minus 2k plus 4 and 1 is equal to minus 4 minus 1. To simplify this one, x by minus k minus 8 that is equal to y by minus 2k plus 4 equal to 1 by minus 5. That is equal to minus 5x is equal to minus k minus 8. Therefore, 5x is equal to k plus 8. X is equal to k plus 8 by 5. From here, I am taking y. So, minus 5y is equal to minus 2k plus 4. That will be equal to y is equal to minus 2k plus 4 by 5. So once
Yes,
now
sir.
now you have found the value of x and y. And there is one more condition given in the question. The line is passing through the point 1, comma 2. Not 1, comma 2. Which point they told? Minus 2, comma 1. Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
So put that value of minus 2, comma 1 in x and y. It is equal to minus 2 is equal to k plus 8 by 5 is equal to minus 10 is equal to k plus 8. Therefore, k is equal to how much? K is equal to
Minus
minus 15. Here, let us see here. What is our answer here? Here it is minus 1 is equal, sorry, is it minus 1? No, plus 1, no. Plus 1 is equal to sorry, then my 5 is equal to minus 2k plus 4, that is equal to 1 is equal to minus 2k, or k is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now we have got two values of k. One is k is equal to minus 18, another is k is equal to minus 2, minus 1 by 2. Substitute these values in the equation and simplify and find out the two different equations. Is it okay? Is it clear, dear students?
yes, sir.
Shall we go for the
No,
next
sir.
question?
Can you repeat?
From which step?
Sir,
Pardon?
can you scroll down?
No, I don't get you.
Sir, can you scroll down?
Because really I'm not getting, your voice is breaking.
Sir, can you scroll down once?
Because you put in the chat box. Bhavana, just read the message of Vignesh when he puts in the chat box. Please kindly drop a message in the chat box. Literally, I'm not getting what you are telling.
Sir, he's saying that, sir. To scroll down, sir.
Okay. Is it from here? Or is it from where?
Yes,
This is,
sir. Here.
this is point of intersection. You should know all these things. No point of intersection is not from past 10 days. You're doing point of intersection problems. Actually, I should have given this concept of point of intersection as a homework and find the value. Because you are not learning the formulas. You're forgetting it.
Sir, I haven't asked any questions, sir.
Pardon?
I haven't asked any questions, sir. If you could.
No,
Sir,
not
yeah.
now. No, I'm not telling about you. I'm telling about others, everybody in general. Last week, Bhavana escaped when we told that we are having test. Correct, no, Bhavana? Bunk the class.
Sir,
Last Saturday.
sir, I was absent, sir.
That's what I'm telling, Bhavana. Especially this point of intersection, then centers of triangle, foot of the perpendicular and image, and all the problems on what is this called as a intercept form, area of triangles. All these four concepts are very, very, very important questions. So only see lot of the JEE means. Why this time I am solving every JEE means question, because this chapter is very important. Straight lines. Almost 2 to 3 questions will come from this chapter. Miss almost how much? 3, 4, almost 12 mark is coming only from this chapter. So JEE means. So only why I am solving so much of questions compared to other chapter, I am solving so much of questions on this chapter. Miss, this is the reason. The weightage of this chapter, the importance of this chapter. Shall we go to the next question?
Yes,
Shall we
sir.
go to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This question I give as a homework. Let me see how you will do it. It's already a simple question. Basically of 2D geometry question. The portion of a line intercepted by the coordinate axis, the portion of a line intercepted by coordinate axis is divided by the point 2, -1 in the ratio 3:2. Find the equation of line. That means there is one line and it is intercepting the coordinate axis. The portion of this intercepted line is divided by the point 2, -1 in the ratio 3:2. This can be 3 or this can be 3 or this can be 3 or this can be 3:2 ratio. Find the equation of the line. So you have to solve this problem. Very easy problem. Will you able to solve it?
Yes, sir.
Try solving it. If you don't get the answer, come tomorrow. We'll solve this question in the classroom. This question was asked in JEE Mains 2014.
Okay, sir.
Next question. An equation of a line whose line segment between the coordinate axis is divided by the point 1/2, 1/3. Means a line equation, same thing. Coordinate axis between this one is divided by this point 1/2, 1/3. The ratio 2:3. So try this one the same thing. Because this will take little extra time because this is a fraction form. So since fraction is coming, kindly do it carefully. Next question. A variable line drawn to the intersection of the lines x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1. Means a variable line is drawn from the point of intersection of two lines. X by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1. X by 4 plus y by 3 is equal to 1. With these two lines point of intersection, we are getting one line. Means one line is drawn. That means the coordinate axis at A and B. Means what they're telling is from this line and from this line is point of intersection. From this point of intersection, one line is drawn. Let us say L is drawn. This L is meeting my coordinate axis at A and B. At A and B. And given condition is what they are telling them. What the condition they are telling is A is not equal to B. A is not equal to B. So A is not equal to B. They are telling A is not equal to B. You have to find the locus of midpoint of AB. You have to find the locus of midpoint of AB. Understood? No. That means there is one line. Just a minute. I clear this one. So there is one line. And there is one more line somewhat like this. So from this, both are intercepted line. One is x by 3 plus y by x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1. Another is x by 4 plus y by 3 is equal to 1. And there is this point of intersection. From this point, we are drawing one more line. That is also cutting coordinate axis here. This cutting coordinate axis at A and B. So what I should do is I have to find the point of intersection, midpoint of this line, and find the locus of that midpoint. So this was asked in JEE mains 2016. So first find the first simplify the equation into linear form. Find the point of intersection. Once that point of intersection is found, line is passing through this point. Huh? The line is passing through this point. First you find the point of intersection. Afterwards we'll discuss. Find the point of intersection and tell me. I'll give you 1 minute. Okay, 2 minutes.
-2/3.
Minus?
2/3.
No, wrong. Plus take two of this one. Simplify the equation to parallel form.
Three by two.
Pardon?
3/2, sir.
Point of intersection is what? X comma y should come.
0, 2.
No.
X
Somewhere you're
equals
going
to
No, wrong. We should get a fractional number.
Sir, I got
Yes, Bhavana. Bhavana, what is the answer?
26 by 3, comma 12 by 7. 26 by 3 and 12 by 7.
Once again, repeat the value. 26
By 3, 26 by 3,
uh,
12 by 7. 12 by 7.
12 by 7 is correct. Find the first value. First value is wrong. It cannot be 26 by 3. Vignesh, check where you're gone wrong. Both should be a rational number, both should be a fraction, can't be an integer. Don't be hurry. Last time itself I told you. Go slowly. Bhavana, your answer y coordinate is correct. Find the x coordinate. X coordinate is somewhere you have gone wrong. Maybe with sign.
Sir, x coordinate is it 1 by 12?
Not 1 by 12.
24 by 5.
No, 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 no. If you look at the line only, you can get the answer. The line is very simple there. Just exchange of coordinates. X by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to something. Y by 4. X by 4 plus y by 3 is something. By looking at the line, you can analyze. These are all what is called as the palindromic equations, like not palindromic equations. What is it called? These equations. There is one name in coordinate geometry for these equations. I'm not getting that name.
Sir,
Yes, Bhavana.
46 by 21.
No, supposed to be both should you get the same value, 12 by 7.
12 by 7, sir.
Now how you got this one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
MS calculation is wrong. Both, because it's just what is called, it's just an concept of revising it. X by something is given as y by something there, and y by something of that is given as x by something here. So you got point of intersection now. Now what you have to do is, now what they're telling is that, I'll read the question now, carefully listen here. Everything is the question only, the answer, and the entire answer is in the question only. They're telling that the line is passing through the point of intersection of these two lines and meets the coordinate axis at A and B. It means my line is passing through this one uh, and making an x-intercept and y-intercept at A and B. So what I will do is, if this one is my line, let us say my point of intersection is somewhere here. It is passing through my point of intersection, and then what is this is doing is, this is making an x-intercept and y-intercept. So I'll take my x-intercept point A as A comma 0 and B as 0 comma B. Therefore, midpoint will what happens? Midpoint will become A by 2, B by 2, correct? No. So I take midpoint M is equal to H comma K, means by the formula midpoint will become A by 2 comma B by 2. Yes or no?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
So what happens if I equal the thing? H is equal to A by 2, K is equal to B by 2. Therefore, 2H is equal to A, 2K is equal to B. 2H is equal to A and 2K is equal to B. So what happens? My line is the intercept form. Therefore, X by A plus Y by B is equal to 1 will become X by A plus Y by B is equal to 1 will become X by 2H plus Y by 2K is equal to 1. X by 2H plus Y by 2K is equal to 1. So my line is passing through the midpoint. Sorry, not midpoint. My line is passing through the, what is called as point of intersection of these two lines. Therefore, the point of intersection of the lines is, for example, somewhere here the line has got point of intersection somewhere here, and from that point of intersection, my line is passing, and we have found out the equation of the midpoint, the locus of the midpoint we have found out. That was the question. To find the value of h and k, what they're telling is that my line is passing through. My line is passing through.
తీసుకయ్యా
The line is passing through the point of intersection. Therefore, this point will become 12 by 7 and 12 by 7. Put that equation of 12 by 7 in x and y. It will become 12 by 14h plus 12 by 14k is equal to 1. That will be equal to 6 by 7h plus 6 by 7k is equal to 1. This will be equal to 6k plus 6k plus 6h by 7hk is equal to 1. That is equal to 6k plus 6h is equal to 7hk. Therefore, 6h plus k is equal to 7hk. Therefore, if you take this as in the terms of x and y, this will become 6x plus y is equal to 7xy. This is the locus of my line. Do you understand, dear friends? Do you understand this question?
Yes, sir.
But do you want me to repeat once again the process of taking this one? So what we
Yes,
have done
sir.
is,
yes sir, can you repeat?
so the question they're telling that if I take this question here is two lines are intercepted, like intercepting lines are there, and with the point of intersection of those two lines, they're getting one more line passing through the one. So only with the help of these two lines, we found the point of intersection. And what they're telling is the line is for that line which is passing through the point of intersection, you have to find the midpoint locus of that line. So the points midpoint locus you have to find it. That means what they're telling is the line which is passing through the what is called as the point of intersection 12 by 7 and 12 by 7 is going through okay, that line has got a midpoint. Like that is what I have drawn here. So this is 12 by 7 and 12 by 7 point. From this point, the line is passing. This line has got a midpoint. Half that midpoint's locus I have to find out. So, and this again, this line they are telling again that line is making intercepts A and B, where A is not equal to B. That is what the condition they are given. Therefore, that means what? My line is an intercepted form line. So if we cut the x-axis and y-axis at one point, A and B. So what I take? I take A is equal to 0, A comma 0 and B is equal to 0 comma B. And for this line's midpoint, I have to find out. I take midpoint as generally as h comma k. But formula I will use formula and I'll find out. It will be a by 2 plus b by 2. So a by 2 comma b by 2. So with this, I will equate with the general what I have taken, and with the formula what I got, I equating both. Therefore, h will become as A will become as 2h and b will become as 2k. So this is the midpoint. From midpoint, etc. I got the value of a and b. So this is my line. My line has got A intercept as so much, B intercept as so much. So I'll put in the equation. The equation will become x by 2h plus y by 2k is equal to 1. Now I have to find the value of h and k to simplify. For that, what I am telling, I am telling that my line is passing to the point of intersection. Correct? No? That's what we told. The line is passing to the point of intersection, and that line's midpoint we are finding out. Locus of midpoint. So my line is passing through the point of intersection. Means my line is to satisfy the point of intersection. So point of intersection is 12 by 7. I'm applying the 12 by 7 for the equation. So x is equal to 12 by 7. 12 by 7 is 12 by 14h plus 12 by 14k is equal to 1. LCM is 14hk. 14hk. Sorry. At a simplified, LCM will be 7hk or 6k plus 6h is equal to 1. Cross multiply. Take the common. You get 6 into h plus k is equal to 7hk. Since h and we can't do any other simplification there, and you have to find the locus of the line. Since my locus of the line is a linear equation, we know that the locus of a line is a linear equation, and what the equation we have got also is a linear equation. So we are writing it. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Shall we go for the next question? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Only
sir.
Bharat was telling. What about others? Vignesh, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Huh? One of
Understand,
the
understand.
very simple and easiest question, but has got a lot of what is it? Minute details. Only when you come to know these minute details, you can solve it, because already we have done a lot of problems of this sort. Only thing, when you keep on doing, you'll get into the method of solving. Huh?
Sir,
Yes, Vignesh.
once explain sir 6 bracket h plus k. Last.
Okay, this is here. I have taken excess 6 as common. Left out is 6h plus k. Yes, 7k is there. So this is h plus k is what I have taken. Midpoint I have taken as h plus k. But usually we take the locus in the form of x and y. So I'm converting h plus k, h and k as x and y. Remember the chapter of locus? We should take alpha, beta, we should take h, k. Then we saw, after solving everything, we will change that h, k as x, y. That alpha, beta into x, y. Sometimes we should take x1, y1, and we should change it to x, y. You remember all those things? That's what we are doing here. H and k is changed into x and y, because the locus will be always in the terms of x and y only. Is it clear? I think it is. Is it Omkar or Navneet?
Navneet sir, Navneet.
Very, very good, Navneet. At least you are actively partaking. Very good. You should be regular for the class. Yesterday you were absent, I think so.
Yes sir.
You should not come one day and put 2 days leave. You should come regularly for the class. Then only understand how the flow is going. Okay. Next question. Shall we go? Hello.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Are you in the meet?
Yes, sir.
Or are you sleeping in the your room? Next question is very easiest question. Let us see if I'll try to give. Okay, this question number. Next 2 questions are very easy. I'll give as a homework only. The equation of a line whose y-intercept is minus 3 by 4. Y-intercept is minus 3 by 4 and is parallel to, this line is parallel to 5x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. We have to find a line equation whose y-intercept is minus 3 by 4 and that line is parallel to 5x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. How do you solve this problem in the level 1 exercise? Correct, no? This is repetition in level 2. Level 1, if you go to the papers, we have solved different equations, transformation. A point is passing to a parallel, perpendicular, from normal to what is it? General form, from general form to normal form. All those problems you have solved. So it's in level 2, it's just a repetition in level 2. Can you do it as a homework? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Next, one more question of same type we will take. The equation of a line whose x-intercept is minus 3 by 7. X-intercept is minus 3 by 7. This is y-intercept. This is x-intercept. Is minus 3 by 7. And it is perpendicular to the line. This is perpendicular to the line. 3x plus 4y minus 10 is equal to 0. 3x plus 4y minus 10 is equal to 0. How do you solve these problems? Don't take, sir, m1 is equal to m2. I'll break your head. How do you solve this problem? Hello. How do you solve these problems? Students, can you open your mouth and respond? How do you solve these problems?
But,
Yeah,
Sir,
Vignesh, your voice is breaking. Vignesh, your voice is breaking.
A1, A2 plus B1, B2 is equal to 0, sir.
Why A1, A2 is equal to B1, B2 is equal to 0? That is condition for perpendicular lines. You go it for the
Yes, sir, they
transformation
are
of
for
equation. Ax plus by is equal to 0. See, go for by minus ac is equal to c, ax is equal to c. Correct, no? Huh? By minus ax is equal to, sorry, bx minus ay is equal to some constant k. And for parallel lines, ax plus by
ax plus
or minus k is
by
equal to
plus
0.
minus c is equal to 0.
Not minus c, plus or minus. Can be anything in the parallel lines.
Formula in plus c is equal to 0.
So that you have to take care.
Okay, sir.
Without that, we can't do anything. Understood, no? It's only I'm telling. You have to learn the theory. As you have learned little half theory, which is very easy. You are clinging on to that half theory. Huh? These problems we have solved. Today also we solved. Yesterday also we solved. Last week also we solved. What is this, Bhavana? Okay, next question. This question is easy. I'll give it as a homework. Let us see what you will do. The size of a triangle. They are given the size of a triangle. The size of a triangle are given. 3x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. 2x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. X plus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. And P is equal to 0 comma B is the point on y-axis. Point on y-axis. If P lies on a triangle or inside a triangle, then what is the range of B? What value can B can take? A very easy question. They give three
Sir,
sides
can
of
you repeat?
triangle and they're telling that they're given
Sir,
three sides of triangle. Listen, just a minute, listen. They're given three sides of a triangle and they're telling us to find there is one point P. It can be lying either on the triangle or inside the triangle. Can any be? It can lie on the triangle or inside the triangle. One point P, 0 comma B. But it's on y-axis. So what all values can take? Means the range. The range of B will be how much? So it will lie either on the triangle or on the or on the inside the triangle. Yes, I think Bhavana was having some doubt. Carry on, Bhavana.
So the question, what is the question? That was I asking.
These are the sides of the triangle. The sides of triangle are given, and there is one point P 0, B. That is either on triangle or inside the triangle. That is either on triangle or inside the triangle. This point B, and you have to find the range of B. So this was asking in JEE Mains 2020. So with this, we'll stop the class. We'll meet on Monday. As I told yesterday, the syllabus will be both on transformation of axis as well as on straight lines. Straight lines, especially from angle between two lines. Of course, with that you have to look some concepts on okay. Start from angle between two lines. If you want to okay, have some eye on intercepted line, intercepted form of line equations area. The color is what we are doing that one, and rest all other things, point of intersection, concurrency, then areas, incenters, all those concepts will cover. So from that I want to give. I don't want to burden you from the beginning from this one, but transformation of axis entire chapter. You will get either 4 or 5 questions. Please go to that one because most of you have forgotten transformation of axis. So only I'm trying transformation of axis plus this one is your syllabus for this tomorrow's test. So thank you. We'll meet on Monday morning. Thank you, sir.